Motorola announced the Edge 50 Fusion upper mid-range smartphone. The Edge 50 Fusion will be launching in India on May 16, according to Motorola itself. It will be offered through Motorola's own Indian website, as well as Flipkart and all leading retail stores. It is seen with minimal bezels on the sides. The left spine of the handset is seen with the power and volume buttons. The Edge 50 Fusion comes with a 6.7-inch FHD plus 144Hz OLED screen with 1600 nit peak brightness. The Edge 50 Fusion is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, and its screen is protected by a sheet of Gorilla Glass 5. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, 8/12 GB of RAM, 128/256/512 GB of storage. The phone will have a 50-megapixel main rear camera with OIS alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The handset could get a 5000 mAh battery with support for 68W wired fast charging. Pricing hasn't leaked per se, but is expected to be around $300 or 25,000 Indian rupees. We should likely learn more about the phone closer to its launch. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.